Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on why can't I make a reel. Okay, so if you're like me, and you're probably not, but if you are, you'll work on learning something, you'll leave it, you'll go learn something else, you'll come back, you'll be like, oh no, it's not working. And you'll wonder, what's going on? Like, I wanted to create a reel, so I was here. See where I am? I'm here. This is my page. This is the first reel I made. This is the second one I made. And that took a long time because there used to be a button here that said create reel. Well, it was gone, and I didn't know why. So I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure that out. So here's what I found is you can look over here and see that this says switch into Betty Lou Lakewood's page. So I'm really not in there. And another way to verify that is basically I'm still in my profile page. So if I go to post, you'll come down here and look where in the comment section it says comment as, okay, and then it'll have the name of your actual profile page right here. So it'll say you're commenting as, and then the name of your profile page. So you can't do anything from that point. So you have to click switch. And now if you come over here and you go into reels, ta-da, there it is. Okay, so this video is as much for me as it is for you, because if I ever forget this again, I don't want to spend 20 minutes looking for it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.